Hi. So here in this question we have to figure out the arithmetic mean of all distinct numbers that can be obtained by rearranging the digits in 1421 including itself. So we have a 4-digit number, we have two ones, 1 2 and 1 4. If we rearrange them in all possible ways, we'll get some numbers and we have to figure out the simple average of all these numbers. So let's see how many numbers are there first of all. The number of numbers will be, so we have a 4-digit number, right? We have two ones, a 2 and a 4. So this position can be filled in by 1, 2 or rather than, let's do one thing. You have 4 digits, right? Out of which 2 are alike. So number of ways of arranging 4 digits out of which 2 are alike is 4 factorial upon 2 factorial. So 24 by 2 is 12 ways. So there are 12 numbers which can be formed. Now one way of calculating the average is you simply list down all these 12 numbers. 12 is not a very huge number, right? You can easily list down all the 12 numbers, add them and figure out the average. That is one way. The other way is if you are familiar with using PNC, how to calculate sum of all the numbers using PNC. So if we just list down all the numbers, how can we list down? Let's see. Let's start with the smallest number 1 1 2 4. Then you'll have 1 1 4 2. Then you'll have 1 2 1 4 and then you have 1 2 4 1, right? And then you have 1 4 1 2 1 4 2 1, right? So these are all the numbers with 1 at the leftmost digit. Now let's take 2 as the leftmost digit. So we'll have 2 1 1 4. Then you have 2 1 4 1 2 4 1 1, right? These will be all the digits with 2 as the leftmost digit, and then taking 4 as the leftmost digit, you have 4 1 1 2 4 1 2 1 and 4 2 1 1. So these are the 12 numbers and now let's simply add them. So we'll have 4 6 10 11 12 13 14 3 7 8 12 14 15 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 plus 8 15 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 5 5 4 here. Here you have 6 6 6 6 and here you have 4 4 4 12. So the total sum is 12 4 4 4 plus 6 6 6 6 plus 7 5 5 4. So 10 14 11 16 16 yes 14 15 16 2 6 6 6 4. This is sum of all the 12 numbers and finally the average will be 2664 divided by 12. Okay, so this goes by 4 3 times, this goes by 4 4 6 are 24, you have 26, 4 6 are 24, 6 6 6 6 6 6 by 3 which is 2 2 2 2. So the overall average comes out to be 2 2 2 2. Hence option A is the right answer here. Now this is one way of doing this question. The other way of doing this question is using PNC. Let's see how to go about it. So we know the total number of numbers is 12. Let's figure out, since we are talking about 4-digit numbers, let's first focus on the units digit. Units digit can be filled either by 1 or 2 or 4. So what you do is effectively when you have all these 12 numbers and once you add them, you'll get some sum of the units digit, plus you'll get some sum for the tens digit, for the hundreds digit, for the thousands digit. And what you can do is, you can first of all calculate sum of all the units digit numbers, sum of all the tens digit numbers, sum of all the hundreds digit number and sum of all the thousands place digit number. Calculate the place value of all these sums and then add them to figure out the total sum, right? Here we'll not just add the face value, we'll add the place values. Okay, so let's see how to add the place values. So if 1 comes at the units digit, how many numbers are there? So out of 1, 1, 2, 4, these are the 4 digits. If 1 is occupied here, You have 3 digits remaining. 3 digits can be filled in these 3 places in 3 factorial ways. And for each of these 3 factorial, which is 6 ways or 6 numbers, if you add all these 6 numbers, the place value of the unit digit will be 1 into 1, which is 1. And if you add 1 6 times, the sum comes out to be 6. Okay. Similarly, now if you have a 2 over here, so from 1 1 2 4, if you put a 2 over here, so you have 3 digits out of which 2 are similar. So the number of numbers formed will be 3 factorial upon 2 factorial, which is 3 numbers will be formed, right? And if you add the unit digit, the place value of unit digit will be 2 into 1 2, and you will add this 2 3 times. So 3 into 2 is 6. So the sum will come out to be 6. And finally, if you have a 4 at the unit digit, so out of 1 1 2 4, 1 is occupied here. Now how many numbers will be there? You have 3 remaining digits, out of which 2 are alike. So the number of numbers that can be formed now will be 3 factorial upon 2 factorial, which is 3 numbers can be formed. Now once you add all these 3 numbers, the unit digit will be 4 plus 4 plus 4. So the sum will come out to be 4 into 3, 12. So sum of all the unit digit will be 6 plus 6 plus 12, which is 24. So sum of all the unit digit, the place value of all the unit digit will be 24 here. Okay. Similarly, what will be sum of place value of all the tens digit? Now if you put a 1 over here, the place value will be 1 into 10, 10. So 10 into 6 will be 60. Similarly, if you place a 2 over here, the number of numbers is 3 and the place value will be 20. So 20 into 3 is 60. And similarly, if you place 4 over here, the place value will be 40 and there will be 12 numbers, right? So, sorry, 3 numbers. So 40 into 3 will be 120. So the sum now will come out to be 240. Sum will come out to be 240. Similarly, sum of all the hundreds digit will be 2400 and sum of all the thousands digit will be 24,000. This is going to be sum of the tens digit, units digit, tens digit, hundreds and the thousands digit. So sum of all the numbers, sum of all the numbers will be sum of all these 24 plus 240 plus 2400 plus 24000. So taking 24 common, we have 1 plus 10 plus 100 plus 1000. So this comes out to be 24 into 1111. This is sum of all the given numbers. Okay. Now the required answer is the average of all these numbers. So the required average will be sum of all the numbers, which is 24 into 1111 divided by number of numbers, which is 12. So 24 goes by 12 2 times. 2 into 1111 is 2222. Hence option A is the right answer. The average of all such numbers will be 2222. So this was the other way using PNC. Thank you.